how to delete Google Maps history. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Google Map. Now, to get into your map history, first of all, make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, now head over to the upper right corner. There, you will get your profile icon. Tap on there and a drop down menu will pop up. From there, at the very bottom, you will get an option as settings. Tap on there, then that will take you to your settings page. Here, scroll down a bit and just under location accuracy tips, you will get an option as maps history. Tap on there. Now from this interface, if you scroll down a bit here, you will get all your map history, and these are all the locations that you have searched on Google Maps. Now if you would like to delete them, simply tap on the delete option at your interface on your right hand side. From there, you can select the date as you can auto delete, and after 18 months it will get deleted automatically. Or if you want to delete all time, you can select delete all time. Or you can also add custom range, or you can also delete all the search history from today. So select the one that you would like, and after that tap on that specific option. I choose delete all today, and as you can see, my maps history has been deleted. And that's how you will be able to delete Google Maps history. And I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.